All right, so today was a big administration day. Yesterday was a people day. Tomorrow is going to be a people day again. But today I just spend most of my day preparing for the weekend and into next week. So really just behind a computer all day, and I just had to get out of the house a little bit. Let's have a look. It's just gone 7:45. I'm at the foot of South Barul. It is the foot of the highest hill in the south of the island. And it's pitch black dark outside, but I've got my trusty Lezyne 800 XL with me, and for the handlebars, my Lezyne 1300 XXL, and it's very misty as well. The idea is when I push the bike up, you can't really ride up the sections. I'll ride, get to the summit, have a look around, and then point down and just have a blast coming down. No idea how long this is going to take. It's quite windy, very misty, pitch black dark, as I said, but and I just had to get out of the house. So let's see what this is like. I'll see you at the summit. Let's have some fun. All right, so there's the bike, an idea of the windiness of this. Let's get her down and let's see if we can do this. All right guys, I made it to the top. It took me just over 20 minutes to get up here. 635 foot of total ascent. Yeah, it's wild up here, it's wet, the rocks are crazy slippery, but the bike is ready. I'm ready. I'm going to get the GoPro sorted out and point the bike down and just see what happens. It's so dark, you cannot see anything. There's so much fog and mist. There's no stars. I can't see surrounding elevations, you know, the cities in the distance, the villages in the distance. It's just so dark, but absolutely awesome. So let's go and see what this is like. I hope to see you guys at the bottom. All right, bro, it's go time. Over the bars. We've got some speed cross 3.0s. The reason is the gripping below them is awesome. So when you've got to climb, the grip on these pedals, they're amazing. You know, 510s and those kind of mountain bike specific shoes give you a kind of a flat sole. In conditions like this, it's not ideal. Whereas the speed cross, Salomon speed cross, really good. Actually just making your ascent. And that's it. Woo! Made it! Yes! And I'm alive. Awesome. That's it. I am alive. Here we go. It took less than 10 minutes to get down. Absolutely brilliant. End of the trail. And I feel alive. Whoa, that was good. Oh my goodness, guys, that wasn't fast. It wasn't pretty. I have to come and do this run again during the day. But that was insane. It was just so much fun. I got here like 45 minutes ago and I was just, it's been such a long day, but I'm going home with a smile on my face to go and have a cup of tea and a biscuit and really just enjoy what just happened up on that dark there South Barul. What a ride! The MTB Rookie should come with me. Until next time, see you soon.